Trusting on home remedies to cure common cold and cough is something many households today still believe, and these home remedies are also free from any side effects. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video we are doing some recipes that will help you to cure your cough and cold at home using the things you have in your house already. So we all suffer cold, we all suffer cough. Our children do also suffer from cold and cough. With these different types of home remedies, you can be able to take care of those cough at home. Sometimes you need something like this as an emergency to use and cure cough and cold. And they are very, very effective. They are very, very easy to prepare. So before we go into making this video, if you have not yet subscribed, if you're new to my channel, I so much welcome you. And please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button to be part of this community. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and help your sister share this video with your friends and families. I so much appreciate you all. Thank you so much for your contributions. Thank you so much for your support. And let's go into making these recipes. So the first one we have here is warm water or herbal tea with honey. You can use warm water, you can use herbal tea. For me, I'm going to use fennel tea and honey. So honey provides the most significant relief from coughing. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 1 teaspoon of honey with warm water or herbal tea. Drink this once or twice a day. And the next one we have here is ginger tea. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. Brew up a soothing ginger tea by adding an inch of fresh ginger slices to a cup of hot water. Allow to steep for a few minutes before you drink it. And you have to do this once or twice a day. And the next one we have here is milk and turmeric. Turmeric mixed with a warm milk is an effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cough and cold. And the mixture of milk and turmeric, you have to also take that in the morning and in the evening before you go to bed. And the next recipe we also have is turmeric and honey. Consuming mixture of turmeric and honey helps fight against cough and cold as it has vast antibacterial and antiviral properties. The anti-inflammatory action of curcumin helps in relieving the chest congestion that develop in people suffering from chronic cough. And this recipe, you have to do it twice in a day. You take it in the morning and in the night before you go to bed. It will relieve you from coughing or cough waking you up while you are sleeping. The mixture of turmeric and honey, they are very, very effective in making you to be relieved of those coughing. And the next recipe we have here is lemon, cinnamon and honey. And this one, in a half tablespoon of honey, add few drops of lemon juice and a pinch of cinnamon. You have to take this syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough. This and the next recipe seems like not a recipe, but believe me, it is very effective if you keep to it, and that is lukewarm water. Drink lukewarm water frequently as it helps in fighting against common cold, cough and sore throat. Warm water reduces inflammation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids and infection out of the body. It helps to detox any kind of congestion, any kind of infections, any kind of fluid, whatever you have that is causing that cough. The warm water will help in decongesting the chest, helps in removing the fluids, and helps to fight against those infections by flushing them out of your body. So guys, that's it. Those are the recipes that you can use to help to cure common cold and cough in your house, at home. So they are very easy to do, like I told you, and if you do it and you follow it up, you are going to find yourself relieved of those cough and cold. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please, if you have not yet subscribed, you are new to this channel, I welcome you once again, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be part of this community, and try to turn on your notification bell. If not, you will not be getting my videos whenever I upload them. So click on the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any video, and help me to share these videos with your friends and families. So thank you so much once again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye for now.